good, y'all? What's good, y'all? What's good, y'all? We back, man. You know what it is, man. It's Z2 Motorsports, man. That's your boy, Fofo, man. Bring y'all some content today, Saturday. Right now, we at Leadfoot pulling up. They having a little Mardi Gras type situation, car show, burnout pit, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? So I figured I'll come out here, give y'all some good content for Saturday, something for y'all to watch Saturday night, Sunday morning. You know what I'm saying? If you like the videos, like, share, subscribe to me. You know what it is, man. Listen, I'm in my own merch today. That's what I'm saying. I'm out here. Merch coming soon. So stay tuned. Merch will be coming soon. We about to walk in here, see what's going on, man. I'm gonna probably have to play my music in between because they got music playing, and you know, YouTube, they be tripping with the copywriting and all that. So, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned. We got a little burnout pit coming on. Let's go see what they got going on in here. Z2 Motorsports. Alright, bro, we're walking in now. Let's see what's going on in here, y'all. Little burnout pit over there. Look like you got a little decent crowd out here. Yeah, look at the caddy on the hydraulic. All right, y'all, we back. So listen, man, you saw the cars. There had little low riders out there. They had hydraulics out there. They had classics out there. They had cars and little music. It was just a little something. Just an intermission for your Saturday. I was originally supposed to go to a big rim show, but that kind of fell through. So I figured, you know what, let me swing up at Leadfoot, give y'all some content for the weekend, give y'all something to watch. I appreciate everybody who tunes in the channel. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 4/5, man. The Z2 Motorsports, man. Merch coming soon.